This Imusa double electric hot plate with cast iron plates is a versatile and essential kitchen tool designed for those who need extra cooking space or a portable cooking solution. Whether you're in a small apartment, a dorm room, or out on a camping trip, this hot plate promises to deliver reliable performance with its robust construction and thoughtful design features. Here's a detailed look at what makes this appliance a must-have in your kitchen arsenal. Ideal for various settings. The versatility of this hot plate makes it suitable for a wide range of applications. It's perfect for traveling. Take it on road trips or to vacation rentals where kitchen facilities may be limited. Outdoor cooking. Ideal for picnics, camping, and BBQs. RV trips. Perfect for cooking meals on the go. Parties. Use it to keep dishes warm or as an extra cooking surface during large gatherings. Office use. Great for preparing meals or warming up food at work. The Imusa double electric hot plate boasts a sleek matte black finish that not only looks stylish but also complements various kitchen decors. The cool touch construction ensures that the exterior remains safe to handle even when the hot plate is in use, reducing the risk of accidental burns. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to store away when not in use, ensuring it doesn't take up unnecessary space in your kitchen. One of the standout features of this hot plate is its double burner configuration. Each burner comes with its adjustable temperature control, allowing you to cook or warm up multiple dishes simultaneously at different temperatures. This is particularly useful when preparing a large meal or when you need to keep one dish warm while cooking another. The hot plate features flat cast iron heating elements that ensure even heat distribution across the cooking surface. This is crucial for achieving consistent cooking results, whether you're boiling, frying, or simmering. Cast iron is known for its excellent heat retention properties, which means that once the plates are heated, they maintain a steady temperature, reducing cooking times and improving efficiency. Safety is a key consideration with any kitchen appliance, and the Imusa double electric hot plate doesn't disappoint. It comes equipped with rubber feet that provide stability and prevent the unit from sliding during use. The power indicator light lets you know when the hot plate is turned on, preventing accidental burns and enhancing overall safety. The cool touch construction further adds to the safety profile, making it safe to move even when in use. Both burners feature adjustable temperature controls, allowing you to select the perfect heat level for your cooking needs. Whether you're slowly simmering a delicate sauce or boiling water for pasta, the precise control ensures your food is cooked to perfection. The easy-to-read power indicator lights provide a visual cue that the unit is powered on and heating. One of the major advantages of the Imusa double electric hot plate is its portability. It's ideal for a wide range of settings including outdoor cooking, camping trips, RV adventures, and even office use. The compact size makes it easy to pack and transport, so you can take it with you wherever you go. It's also a great solution for small living spaces where a full-size stove might not be practical. This hot plate is incredibly versatile and can handle a variety of cooking tasks. It's perfect for cooking, boiling, or warming up food. Whether you need to prepare a quick meal, keep your fondue hot, or make coffee at work, the Imusa double electric hot plate is up to the task. Its dual burner setup means you can cook multiple dishes at once, making it a handy addition to any kitchen. Cleaning the Imusa double electric hot plate is a breeze. The smooth, flat surface of the cast iron plates can be easily wiped down with a damp cloth once they have cooled. This ensures that the hot plate remains hygienic and ready for its next use without requiring a lot of effort. Conclusion: the Imusa double electric hot plate with cast iron plates is a highly versatile and efficient cooking appliance that meets a wide range of culinary needs. Its sleek design, reliable performance, and safety features make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Whether you need an extra burner for holiday cooking, a portable solution for camping trips, or a reliable cooktop for a small living space, this hot plate delivers on all fronts. With its dual burners, even heat distribution, adjustable temperature controls, and compact design, the Imusa double electric hot plate ensures that you can cook and heat your food with precision and ease. It's a practical and stylish solution for anyone looking to expand their cooking capabilities without sacrificing space or convenience. If you found this review helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.